Good morning. Team True Strangers would like to present a proposed solution which is aimed at zero hunger by reducing food wastage. The agenda for this session would be we will be covering the prevailing problems, how we are planning on using technology to solve some of these problems, and then walk through the process roadmap and sequence diagram of the proposed solution. Over to Rahul.
Thanks, Mitu. So we are focusing on the problem of wastage of food which occurs post-harvest due to lack and delay in its consumption. If we look at the numbers, the average loss of grain and other perishable items ranges between 4 to 6% during storage at farmers' end. On the other hand, there is also a loss due to an excess production as some farmers do not have an idea on actual demand. Next slide, please. Hence, we are thinking on how we can introduce technology to reduce this loss of agricultural produce happening due to lack and delay in consumption. Sushma will walk through an overview on this idea. Over to you, Sushma.
Thank you, Rahul. So, how technology could help you resolve this huge problem that we have? Basically, by using technologies, we can create a bidding system that will enable farmers to get the best value of their products from multiple cooperatives and the cooperatives to get the best quality at the best bid for buyer. This will encourage speedy consumption of the farm products and thus will avoid food wastage. And farmer would be able to operate with basic phones that they have. Over to you, Manisha, for technical design.
Thank you, Sushma. I'll be taking you through the actual process followed, how the farmers are able to sell their goods and the co-ops are able to get the required products. Now, initially, the co-op will access the product details and the market trends through the mobile dashboard app. And based on that, he will create an open tender as per his requirements. After that, a notification will be pushed to all the registered farmers about the tender details. Next slide. So the farmers will send a message with the product details, including the product quality and the quantity available to them. The tender details and the farmer data would be used by our AIML algorithm for calculating the recommended bid. And this will be available to co-op on the mobile dashboard app. Now the co-op will decide the best bid for him and the notification will be sent to the respective farmer. Sayantan will take us through the sequence diagram, how this process flow end to end. Over to you, Sayantan.
Thanks, Manisha. So let me go through the proposed architecture of our idea. On the right-hand side, we can see AIML engine, which taking historical data from IBM Cloud and Database and feed recommendation to Node-RED app. These data will be shown to the cooperative user as a dashboard. Cooperative user can see MSP and COPS related data and can come out with tender includes quality, quantity through the dashboard. Once tender raised, farmers are going to be notified via SMS through IBM SMS Gateway, which integrates Twilio. Farmer can reply to the message with the given format by specifying quality, quantity, and price. It will go through the SMS Gateway again and the processing of the data in Node-RED app. A push notification will be sent to the particular cooperative. Once they confirmed, and order confirmation will be sent to the farmers so that they can start growing their crops. Any historical data related to cooperative transaction will be stored in RDMS, which can be accessed via IBM Cloud Function application. This is how we are planning to implement IT in our project. Handing over to Mitu.
Thank you, Sayantan. We would like to thank Hackathon team for giving us this opportunity to present our solution. It was exciting and fun working on the solution and gave us all a good startup to do hands-on on IBM Cloud, which we are all planning to continue doing. Thank you.